Hey, what's up, Holochain Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Holo. Is Holo good investment or not, my friends? As we should have to invest in a Holochain or not. In this video, my friends, I will show you, my friends, and this is the warning news for all Holochain holders. Never miss any second of this video. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. At this time, the price of the Holochain in the market is 0.007704 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Holochain in the market. On the other side, if you look the price changes of the Holochain, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole chain is open. The Holochain is going negative fast down. My friends, from the previous last 1 week, the price of Holochain is going down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, my friends. The funding time of the Holochain are start now, so that is why I recommend for everyone that please don't invest in a Holochain, and this is my warning, my friends, for all Holochain holders, that please don't invest more in the Holochain. Now it is a bad time. It is a bad time of Holochain, so please don't invest in the bad time. When they start pumping, when the price going upward, so I think it's a good time to invest in a Holochain. Please don't invest in a Holochain to the next few days, 2-3 days, my friends. After 2-3 days, you can invest in a Holochain, because after 2-3 days, there is a chance that the price will pop, my friends. Now the current situation is completely going negative, but on the price chart, you can also understand that the price is going down day by day, minute by minute. So my recommendation for all of you is that please hold and don't invest more in the Holochain, my friends. Anyways, remember that. But remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.